Everyone, this is Sudipto. Today I will show you how you can delete or clear browsing history data from your Chrome application in Mac. So it's very simple. Let's get started. First, let me open Chrome in browser in my Mac. So it's open now. So here you will see one on the right corner, top corner, there is a dot dot dot, right? So you just click on that dot 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 and then you will go to more tools. There you will see one options, clear browsing data. You could also use shortcut keys like Ctrl Shift and then delete, which will open the same pop-up. So I will just go ahead and click on clear browsing data. So I get this pop-up for clear browsing data. So here are a few options available, right? I will show you each option. I just type each of these options. First of all, time range. So here you can just choose if you want to delete all the data that are for last 1 hour, you could clear this browsing history by just choosing the last hour options in this time range, or you could just delete all the data for last 24 hours, or maybe all the data that you have, that is all time, all the data that you have in your browser, it will be cleared up. So this is how you can use your time range. Now there are a few other options for the deleting history data. One is browsing history. Browsing history, if you choose browsing history, that means it will clear all the sites that you have visited in Chrome. So all the browsing sites will be deleted from your Mac, the Chrome application. Then you can also choose for cookies or other site data. Here I just want to remember you that cookies are actually valuable things. So cookies are basically used in many websites to do automatic login, like SSO login or something like that. So if you delete cookies, then next time when you will be logging in those kind of sites where automatic logins are already in place in your Mac, then again you have to log in again and then do the stuff. So just keep these things in mind. Then we have cached images and files. So that will basically delete all the cached images and files of your site. So there are many sites which you frequently visit in your Mac or in your browser. So what they do, basically they download all the images and data files and store it in your Mac. So next time when you visit those sites, they will not download again and again. So they will just get it from the cache itself. So if you delete those images and files from cache, so next time when you go and visit those sites, it will take a little bit of time. May not be much notable, or you will not able to know how much time it will take, but it's just little fraction of seconds of time it will take to download all the images and files. So yeah, that is another thing you just keep in mind. Usually I don't delete browsing history data. I mostly delete cookies and cached images and files. That's how. And then you hit on clear data. Your data will be cleared after maybe after a second or two. It might take 60 seconds or maximum 60 seconds of time. And all your data, depending upon the data size and all, it will take some time, and then it will clear the data. So that's how. It's very simple. That's how you clear your browsing history data. So yeah, that's all from my end for today. Thanks for watching my video. We'll meet again in the next video. Thank you.